Hey, Hope Academy teachers. I really enjoyed working with you this year. I just wanted to send out a couple little videos to let you know about some upgrades to our educational technology possibilities that are coming. One of them is this integrated Google map that shows in yellow all the pieces of art history that we study in AP Art History. The red and the things with the icon of a book show all the books that we read in grade 11, 12. The green is grade 9, 10 books. Purple is middle school. The purple with the fish icon is ethics. And here's the thing that I think this can help us with. I'm interested in educational technology as a tool in ways that will help us do things that we cannot do in a normal classroom. In a normal classroom, it's really difficult to show how, unless you have lots of maps, it's hard to show the interconnection between all the things students are learning. But with this, for example, students can go up here, they can click on the icon here, and they'll see, okay, we're going to be reading Crime and Punishment. They can click here to see the text, and they can read the book online. And let's see, as you see the picture, they can read it online. Teachers can put up more information about it. So what we're moving toward through this map is an ability for all of our students to read the books that we want them to read over the summer, the ability for them to access all the material that we want them to study for art or art history, world history, anything like that, anything that we can put on a map, geography, obviously. They can access it all through their phone. And read the text. It'll save money on textbook purchase. It'll save money on so many other things. but basically, the real value added is they can start to see, okay, so I'm going to be learning a lot about Eastern Asia in this course. I'm going to be learning a lot about South India during these two courses. I'm going to be learning about Africa in these courses. And as they go through, parents and students and teachers can access all this through the Moodle app on your phone. It'll all be right there, and try it out. I haven't added all the images and all the digital books to this yet, but I wanted to let you know what I'm working on.